Solve for x. 2x squared plus 27 is equal to 0. 2x squared, we can bring positive 2, 7 this other side, and it becomes negative, is equal to negative 27. We can divide by 2 both sides. X squared is equal to negative 27 over 2. We can take square root over both sides. X squared square root is equal to negative 27 over 2 square root. X is equal to plus minus square root of 27 over 2. X is equal to positive negative square root of 27 over square root over 2. X is equal to positive negative square root over 9 times 3 times negative 1 over square root over 2. X is equal to plus minus square root over 9 times square root of negative 1 times square root of 3 over square root over 2. X is equal plus minus square root of 9 is 3. We now bring in the idea of imaginary number. Imaginary number, we know that I is equal to square root over negative 1. So in place of negative 1, we multiply by I. Square root of negative 1 is I, so we multiply by I here. Then we multiply by square root over 3 over square root over 2. And now this is square root of 2. It is radical. Now we want to multiply both numerator and denominator by square root of 2 in order to get rid of the radical sign here in the denominator. So we can say that x is equal to plus minus 3I square root over 3 over square root over 2 times square root of 2 over square root over 2 x is equal to plus minus 3I square root over 3 times square root of 2 over square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2. X is equal to plus minus 3I times square root over 3 times 2 is 6 over 2. This is our final answer. Thank you for watching.